What's going on?
Fun day, Sunday?
Sunday fun day!
I was so confused.
We're gonna go roll for a drink and see what the dice will give us. First roll is a 5, which is Tullamore Dew, and a 4, which is Malibu, and a 3, which is root beer. Our first shot of Tullamore Dew in our bevy glasses you can get for 10% off. This is the last one that hasn't been featured so far, Minnesota.
Minnesota.
Man. Oh, it's brand new.
I drank the last bottle.
Brand new Malibu. And our very flat root beer. Been in there for a while.
Wow, that was a little much.
Whoops, I thought there was less in there.
Maybe we need to mix them together.
So I fucked up this pour a little bit, so we are
Bartending it.
yeah. Let's go find some ponies. Harley's eating a tree. So what do you think?
He wants to try it.
He looks like he does.
No, I'm actually excited. It smells good, so.
Smells like straight root beer. It might be my fault a little bit. Well, cheers.
Better, better.
Let's get at her. Oh yeah, not bad.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
I actually can't even really taste the Malibu that much. It's more of like the Tullamore, is it
Tullamore Dew.
Yep, Tullamore Dew. And,
Root beer?
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it's good.
Yeah, it is good. Oh, 1 out of 10.
I'm gonna go with like a 9.7. This is good.
I wouldn't go that high. I was gonna give it like a 7.
A 7?
Yeah, I
What's
mean, it's
wrong
good.
with it?
I would drink it again. I don't know. It's just, I don't know. It's a 7 to me, okay? Don't ask questions.
Why am I marrying you?
So average 8, 8.5, I guess, in that range.
I'll settle for that. I'll agree.
Definitely worth giving a try. You won't be disappointed. A little on the sweet side, but it's pretty good. They're leaving us.
Bye.
Anyway, till next time.
Sunday fun day.
Sunday fun day.